Purana Namaskaru. Miguel now Parasanna Puranik Manu. So I am a chartered accountant. So I have been in this field for more than 3 years. So here Conclave abagge Monka Manjalari. Firstly, this is a ever first platform which is being given for specifically for this community of GSB, and this is one of the first initiative which is taken by this organization, whether it be Saraswat Chambers or UK&Co and other organizations. So विषय कसा म्हळ्यारी हसल एक कम्युनिटी केल्लेल निमित्त हसल एक ऑर्गनायझेशन और हसल एक सेमिनार केल्लेल निमित्त कसा बेनिफिट जाता म्हण म्हळ्यारी कोण कोण या इंडस्ट्री पूर तकून आसाची तानी एक इंडस्ट्री नाची वेदर इट बी टेक्निकल वेदर इट विल बी सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री और फाइनेंस इंडस्ट्री और मेडिकल इंडस्ट्री or there are like long term businessmen who are coming from the ages, so they are first generation, second generation, so asal mast kind of business sectors anta sanchi. So tangtangela ek experience amka melta tangtangel kashi start kartan kasan issues ashila kasan tanka difficulties faced jala, how they overcame it, like all these issues we got to know. One is that thing. Second thing kasamalari at the generation most of them are like going into like job kind of scenarios rather than business, because there is a risk taking capacity, the appetite as right. So konake at business vachi malare ek bhai asta, because you know funding melna asha pura, or whether I should take the step or not, so must kind of confusions asta. So that is what these entrepreneurs who has come here and gave us a clarity that funding is not the only reason why you need to quit out. If you really have a business idea and there is a goal which you have, and funding is the only problem, then no, we are there to help. So what it creates is, it creates an insight into us to get into that opportunity and develop ourselves. So just because amgela funds na madalde kontam back out jainanchi. So that is one thing. And one more thing is we get more kind of interaction with all the business people over here. So interacting with them gives a personal connection which may not be through the other media sites or any social media or else, because kasanjat malari tangel time asana, or they will be into their business. So hanga kasamel me tangelo to interact javno tangela personally connection melno, maybe they have developed some kind of kasan tang jaw kashil requisite or to demand match javno. So this is one kind of scenario created. And one more additional advantage is that we as a community can build together if this kind of conference is done frequently, so that amgel community jan vairetanchi anek kasamalari hajje GSB community cha worldwide vachuno tajje ek numbers chad javnu bhai most of them GSB people will be more into entrepreneurship rather than job seekers. That gives people a sense to give a job rather than only take a job, and that gives taj nimitta amgel community develop jatta ani hasal seminar nimitta mast advantages jatta. Ani 2 divas seminar kellala review diu kamanjalari, it was very well structured and organized. Male yonu like kasamuncha konak taj requisite they actually met with the thing which they required. So tang kasa pura jaw kashil, so some kind of insights they got, and it's not that I like seminar kelle jawan kelle, so that is not the thing. We got more into the thing as to what is required in it, and that is one kind of unique thing which is offered in the seminar. Anek kasa malari in terms of location also, if I have to tell, they have built it in such a way that only interested jan ashil titli tokon dur tokon travel kon ya place aila manjalari, that itself gives an indication that how important this program is. And all the renowned founders have come here and gave their insights over here. So that is how the overall experience started. It was really a great platform, and I suggest that, or I believe that there will be more such programs in the future also. Thank you so much.